The world said its farewell to Jimmy Cliff today during an official ceremony accorded by the government to celebrate his life. The legendary Jamaican musician and actor passed 3 weeks ago. Excuse me. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson watched the memorial service and filed this report.
A memorial service befitting a legend. The National Indoor Sports Centre in Kingston transformed into a shrine of Jimmy Cliff's pictures, music, and the Jamaican colours on Wednesday. Attended in the hundreds by his family, musical icons, politicians, leaders from the judiciary, business leaders, and everyday Jamaicans who love the icon.
It is not the typical service that is held after a person's passing. Jimmy didn't want a sad or somber occasion. He wanted a celebration of his life, and we're honoring his memory and his wishes.
And while tears flowed among loved ones, so too did the soothing lyrics of his songs from the lips of stars who performed renditions. Some could not help but break into a little dance at points, fitting too, as his music also promoted joy and happiness. The country's political leaders reflected on his contribution to nation building. For them, many sectors today were lifted up by his work.
Jimmy rose at a time when Jamaican music was still searching for international recognition. There were no established paths, no guarantees of acceptance, and no assurance that the world would listen. Yet, through talent, courage, and unwavering belief in his craft, he broke through barriers.
The harder they come, and many rivers to cross, two of Jimmy Cliff's greatest songs remain as fresh today as they ever were. And I must tell you that, in my opinion, that soundtrack ranks among the greatest in film in the history of the world.
The iconic Jimmy Cliff, born James Chambers, completed his earthly journey on November 24 at the age of 81.
As I traveled along the wide cliffs of Dover, many rivers to cross.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.